Happy New Year, guys. It is 2023. Let's hope that the crypto markets respond better this year than last. It can't get much worse, let's be honest. Or can it? Anyway, I'm going to give you an update here for Ethereum and then for Bitcoin on the smaller time frames. It's a bit of a follow-up from the video I made, a couple of videos I made over the last few days where I was talking about a major opportunity right now, Bitcoin being bullish. The markets actually did respond to that video. If you were in on that trade, congratulations. You can see we're up nicely on this Ethereum trade here. And there was another trade I did also for Bitcoin, which was the following one, also in profits right now. So if you were in on those trades, congratulations. If you missed it, don't worry. I've got you covered on what's going to happen next, at least from a technical perspective. Guys, like I said, Happy New Year. Please smash that like button. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers, 49 at the moment. Subscribe and have the bell turned on. It's going to be a big year for crypto and a big year for the Marzell trading channel. Let's kick things off today with the Ethereum chart. So we're on just a 2-hour chart here, and we're going to have a look at what I've been looking at in terms of technicals. So we have been consolidating. We have support upsloping. We do have a resistance at the moment at about $1,220. We also have this sloping resistance line in. Now, you could talk about this in a bullish way, higher lows, flat level resistance line. Yeah, we do have this resistance coming down, but ultimately, this is more so of a bullish pattern, and the breakout target for this, for the Ethereum price, in the short term would take us up to about $1,280. In terms of percentage, we may be looking at about a 5.25% pump. All well said and done. Let's zoom out a little bit further and look at what's going on. You could say we're uptrending. Yeah, obviously in the grander scheme of things of a bear market, we're down, but as of, you could say, the 9th of November, we have been creating these higher lows, which of course is bullish. So we can look at the mid time frame and see what's looking likely to happen from this point. So not only were we supported by this smaller levels here that I was showing you just before, we also have been creating these higher lows going back further afield, all the way, in fact, from June. The 18th of June, which of course is very, very bullish. We do have this downward trend, but as you know, a downward parallel channel is bullish. We could have bottomed out when the Ethereum price in June came down to that $880 level. So for me, either way, short term or medium to long term, it's a great entry point. You can see we're at the support levels on multiple different time frames, and that's why I am in on those long positions. Just before I continue with the analysis for the rest of Ethereum and Bitcoin, let me remind you, if you want to trade, my recommended trading platform is BYBIT. I've been with these guys for over 2 years, and in 2023 I'm excited to use them. Right now they have a huge offer, $30,000 in sign-up bonuses when you sign up and make a deposit. Literally takes 2 minutes to sign up. They're also having a $1.2 million prize pool. You can win a BMW, iPhones, and much, much more. So link in the video description for BYBIT. They are your trusted crypto trading platform. So Ethereum, this is my midterm trade. What I'd be looking at here is targeting the resistance line of this downward parallel channel. It's a simple trade for me. It's one I'm already in, and I will be even averaging into further. I believe there's about a 12 to 15% pump. The level I'm looking at is about $1,382. You can look at the long time frame chart trends, and you can see we're even in a bigger long-term downward parallel channel. So you could even extrapolate that trade further to take us to about a 33-34% pump, staying still within the bear market. That doesn't mean it's going to be a breakout. We have to really cross around $1,700 before we talk about bullish market appetite, or at least a change in the kind of theme of the market. All right, so what we could also look at here is our weekly levels. There is resistance, like I talked about in the short-term time frame, where the resistance at the weekly is about that $1,280. Monthly levels, we don't have much to talk about. We're not near any monthly levels. Support is at 1,070. The resistance is up at around 1,500. So if we break this midterm level, this midterm resistance, yeah, I'll certainly be targeting up at around $1,600, potentially even higher to the weekly and the next monthly levels, which are all the way. We won't even get excited talking about $3,000 for now. It's just not worth it. That's Ethereum. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a very, very good place right now. Like I said, it is a follow-up video on the ones that I've been making. I'm in my long positions, as I showed you. And Bitcoin, if we talk about the short-term time frames, we do have indeed this bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern. We broke out of that, and it's exactly what we were talking about in the previous video. Yeah, if we talk about the target for this in the short term, we do have the measurement of the head of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, and we can target up at about $17,000. Now, $17,000, if we look at our daily levels, it would take us slightly above that level because we have resistance at 17,000. It's a key psychological level, but yeah, anywhere around this high $16,000 is a good level to target. So that brings us to the mid time frame. If we go into the daily level here, the daily levels for the mid time frame, you can see that we basically have this channel. We're in a downward sloping channel. It's bullish, of course, and ultimately we are likely to be uptrending now. We do have this support for Bitcoin as follows, and to me it's a great entry point for a long position right now. You can see on the weekly levels we also have this support as well as on the daily. So yeah, I'm targeting first of all the weekly level at about 17,000. If we can break above 17,000 and hold it convincingly, I will be targeting the top of the resistance, probably taking us to that previous wick at $18,340. That is my mid time frame trade. I believe there's a good opportunity for about a 10% move for Bitcoin. Ethereum poses slightly better value right now. That's why I have a bigger position open on Ethereum. But once again, guys, if you want to trade, do check out BYBIT. If you have a BYBIT account already, guys, all you do to get these bonuses for the new 2023 bonuses, you can copy this link, put it in a new incognito tab, use a new email address, and you're good to go. You can claim those bonuses, guys. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Let's hope 2023 is going to be a great year. I'm going to be updating you daily with a Bitcoin and an Ethereum update, as well as everything else going on in the crypto market. So make sure you're subscribed, have that bell turned on. And when we cross 50,000 subscribers, guys, I'm going to be doing a very, very special giveaway. Don't forget also, I am on Twitter, guys, at Marzell Trading. When I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm posting there at Marzell Trading on Twitter. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.